Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will show you how to post your reels directly in a reel tab. It will be not visible in a profile grid, or we can say a main grid. That reels will be directly posted to your reels tab, and it will make your profile more organized way. So how to do that I will show you in my mobile screen. We'll open Instagram and select a post for a reel. So I am selecting this one and I will click on next. You can select the music whatever you want. I will scroll down and here you can see the option as audience. Here I will select profile display as reel grid only and I will click on done. Okay, it's ready. Now I will click on share. So we'll check it is visible in both profile grid and reel tab or only in a reel tab. So it is posted now. We'll scroll here. You can see it's not visible in profile grid, but if I will go to reel tab, here you can see it is visible. So I hope you will find this video useful.